Hi, my name is Esther. This is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. And when we started it, the engine puttered a little bit and the check engine light came on. So we took it to an auto parts store and they read the computer and it said that cylinder 3 misfired. So we're going to check the spark plugs. So first we're going to take off the engine cover, which should just snap off. Yay! Okay, set that over there. First we're going to look at the cylinder 3 spark plug, see what it looks like. So we're going to take off this coil pack. Okay, taking off this. I'll take that off and set it over there. Then we're going to take the spark plug out with this. Here it is. You can see the difference between these. That's the old one, that's the new one. So now we're going to put the new one in. We're going to use the spark plug socket. And it has a rubber grip inside to keep this on there. And we'll hand tighten it to avoid cross-threading. There we go. And we're going to tighten it more with this. Go. Then we're going to put this back in. Put the screw back on. And then we'll do the rest one at a time to avoid mixing up the spark plug wires. There we go. There it is. Then put this new one back in. For the last one, we'll get a better view of it. Put this cover back on. Like this. And we'll test it.